Hi guys, welcome to KYGUNCO in Louisville. This is Sam speaking. I have a certain gun to show you today based on my likes, and also turkey season is coming up. So what I wanted to show you guys today is the 835 Ulti Mag by Mossberg. It was designed and produced first in 1988 as the first pump action shotgun to chamber 3.5-inch shells. It has a 5+1 capacity. Now keep in mind, in Kentucky you got to have that plugged and can only have 2 in the mag well and 1 in the chamber. It'll take 2 3/4, 3-inch, and 3.5-inch shells. It comes in 7 different models. You have this one right here, which is a turkey model, 24-inch barrel in the Mossy Oak Obsession camo. Other models that it comes in are a field model, which is a wood stock, blued, Mossy Oak breakup, and 2 other different Mossy Oak camos. So what's cool about this model is it comes with a dual ring and a fiber optic sight on this one. Those typically come with the turkey models. The other ones usually come with a fiber optic, or you would have to get a additional fiber optic sight, which we sell here as well. So the turkey tactical model that I was talking about earlier has a 20-inch barrel, and the other model has a 26-inch barrel that is used for all around. You can use that for anything practically. The cool thing about these guys is it has a overboard barrel that has 10 gauge dimensions, and what's cool is it can diminish pellet deformation and make better tighter groups, as I should say. So then when you go down into this guy, the cool thing is it has a top ambidextrous safety on it, and it has anti-jam extractor. Main reason I like this gun, guys, is because it's just a great all-around pump action shotgun. It can take 3.5-inch shells, unlike a lot of other models. I have the field version, which is a wood stock. I love it. I use it as my turkey gun. Come on down to Kentucky Gunco in Louisville or Bardstown, Louisville, if you want to talk to me about it, and you can learn some more.